Navigating the challenges of improving efficiency and reducing costs can be a complex and time-consuming journey. With issues such as data capture, manual processes, poor data quality, and limited access to critical information, it can be hard to know where to start and quickly becomes overwhelming. This is where Synapse can help. Our goal is to empower your organisation with custom solutions to resolve complex business challenges using industry-leading tools. With our extensive experience working with enterprise and SME clients across industries, our team works in collaboration with yours to create tailored solutions based on your unique needs. Whether you need custom app development to improve internal productivity, a powerful dashboard that pulls raw data from multiple sources to easily generate and share real-time insights, or automation of workflows and processes to reduce errors and allow your team to focus on higher value tasks, Synapse has the expertise to help. Whatever your needs, whatever your goals, Synapse is here to revolutionize the way you do business. Get in touch today and speak to one of our experts.